How gorgeous is this Michael Kors evening bag? Absolutely beautiful. This beautiful gold strip across the flap in beautiful black patent leather with this fabulous long strap. So you can either have it as a shoulder bag or you can have it as a crossbody. I'm a UK size 8'10", about 5'4". Comes with Michael Kors Just bag. And the great thing about this strap is it's also removable, so you can have it as a clutch bag as well, which makes it just the best evening bag ever, because you can have it all which ways. Okay, so it has got a breasted closure. It opens, again you've got the gold trim on the flap. This section here is in same patent leather, and then inside we have more of a fabric inside. There are 3 sections. Now it's not going to show very well because the light's not fantastic, but there's the first section here. The middle section has a zip, and then there is the back section as well. In the front section there are 6 card slots in there. It's an absolutely excellent condition, excellent exterior, excellent interior, excellent hardware. There is a link below in the comments that will take you to this on our product page on the website. If you subscribe to the newsletter on the website, you will get a discount code for 10% off. Also in the comments below there is a link to follow us on Instagram, so you can get more regular updates of all of the gorgeous bags that we get in every day.